Konnichiwa. So today we want to talk about the differences how animals make sound in different languages, in Japanese and English. So we were always wondering why it's so different in different languages even though the animals are same. So today I pick 7 animals and I will tell Riho how they make sound and Riho will guess what the animals are. So we talk what we're gonna talk about for the video, right? But today we haven't told each other which animals I'm gonna pick.
I don't know anything.
And in this English version video, I will pick animals. And in the Spanish version video, she will pick and I will guess. So, are you ready?
Yes.
First one. I will start with the easy one.
Okay.
Oof, oof.
Dog? No.
Duck?
No, dog.
Dog. Pipo pipo. That's the easy one. Okay.
In Japanese?
In Japanese?
Wan wan.
One, one.
Wan wan.
One, one. That was easy. Okay, next one. Ribbit, ribbit.
What? Ribbit?
Ribbit, ribbit.
Oh, I know that what that is. What? Rabbit? Rabbit.
Rabbit?
It's no rabbit?
No. No. The sound is ribbit.
I know.
Ribbit.
It's not rabbit?
No.
Okay. No, wait. What's the name in English?
In Japanese?
Kind of
Frog.
Oh, frog. Yeah.
Pipo pipo.
Frog.
In Japanese we say gero gero.
ちょっと汚い。
Kero? Kero?
Kero, kero.
Kero? Kero?
Kero, kero. That's the animal you like, no?
That's my favorite animal.
I don't get it.
Okay, next one. Ba. ちょっと待って。Ba.
Ba?
Ba.
Goat. No?
Close?
Sheep.
Sheep.
Good
job.
In Japanese?
Me.
Me.
Me. Next one. I don't know how to say this because I never heard of this. Chatter. 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 Chatter.
Chatter?
Chatter. Chatter.
Chatter. Do you have a
Hint? I don't think they make sound like chatter. Chatter. But in Japanese, they don't make sound like Japanese one too.
Oh. How does it look like?
Like a human?
Like a human. Monkey? Monkey?
Chatter, chatter.
本当に?
I'm not sure if it's correct because I'm not native English speaker and I had to research, but it says chatter, chatter.
That's weird.
It is weird. In Japanese, we say uki.
Uki.
Uki. Uki.
Mm.
I did 4, right?
Yes.
Okay, next one is nei. That's an easy one.
Nei.
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 So.
Do you think it's easy?
これ、
Yeah?
That's popular one.
Nei.
Nei. ちょっと待って。Nei.
Nei.
Nei.
Nei? Which color does it have?
Could be brown, black, grayish.
Horse.
ピポピポーすごい
Nei. In Japanese?
ヒヒン
ヒヒン。ヒヒン。
ヒヒンだよね
違うかな
ヒヒンヒヒンヒヒンだと思う
ヒヒン
Okay, next one. Squeak, squeak.
I think I know what that is. What? Mouse.
Ping pong, ping pong. In Japanese, we say choo choo.
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 Choo choo. Kawaii.
かわいい Last one. Cool.
Cool. That sounds cute.
We don't have this animal sound in Japanese. I never heard.
Cool.
Hint. Bird.
Eh? Cool.
Cool.
Ah! Karas.
違う
What? Cool.
Cool. It's more
Cool.
like cool.
Cool. Suzume?
No.
I don't even know the names in English, so I'm just answering in Japanese.
Getting closer though. Getting closer.
So it means it's smaller.
A little bit bigger than suzume,
Eh?
but
Pigeon!
yay!
Ah!
Pigeon, I don't think we have sound in Japanese. Do we?
No. Pigeon? Choo choo.
So it's suzume.
No, then we don't have any sound.
No, I don't think so. But isn't it interesting? It's so different between English and Japanese. So we hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.
See you in the next video. またね
またね